Montana?
Yes.
Hey, I'm Mark at Ayla's Locksmith. How are you? Here's my card.
So is that your camera crew?
Oh, I'm sorry, the dispatcher didn't tell you.
Nah.
We were doing a live advertisement. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, great. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Before we get started, I want to make sure that it's going to be the $69.50 that I was quoted on the phone.
Well, yes, sir. Our dispatcher told you that price, and that's what we're going to charge you. We won't scam you like some other people have.
Okay.
All right, great. Thank you. Yeah, we've been at this too long, and we don't want to ruin our business by scamming people.
Keys are right there on the seat.
Okay, good.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah, that's 25 years of experience with Ayla's Locksmiths. There you go, sir.
All right.
You have a good day.
All right.